to make things easier, you need an online tech assistant. Why? So that you can view your analytics, so that you are tracking or measuring your outcome, your performance. So for many years, I've been operating blindly online, not knowing actually where my market or my demographic or my market is hanging out, until I actually had a mentor or found a mentor, discovered a community that taught me the fundamental basics of online marketing in the fullest capacity for you to keep track when you are generating leads, you are tracking your performance, where exactly you are generating that leads from, whether it's on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, whichever social media platform you are utilizing. This is essential so that you can spend more time on those platforms to generate leads and to see positive outcome happening. You got that, or else you will operate blindly. Your ego will get in the way, thinking to yourself, you know what, I can figure out everything on my own, how to generate leads, how to convert leads into paying customers. So if you want a tech assistant, reach out to me, contact me on 0810749393, or drop a comment ready so that I can share my system with you.